out what this thing is doing. Why is it all the way over there? That was weird. Not quite sure what happened there, though. Oh. Another one, smaller than my 1 pounder, so he won't help. Oh God, that's the one I need. That's the one I freaking need. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Out of the way. What are you doing? Where's the fish? I can't even see him. Nope. No. God darn it. Get in the net. Golly. Woo-wee. Got the freaking kicker of all kickers. Oh my God, and the hook just popped right out. Oh, freaking hook just popped right out. Holy cow. Holy cow. That might be the biggest bass I've caught in the year. First cast. Oh God, check that out. Oh my God, I have no scale at all, nothing. Literally nothing to tell me how big that is, but that got my bag where it needs to be. Freaking 19-inch fish, guys. I don't have my thing. 19-inch fish, you can see. Decision to come back here. So the bag, guys, was at about 9 pounds. I just replaced the one with about a 5. So pretty sure this is 5. I really wish I had my scale. I do not have my scale. Any scale? I have no scale. Let me get this fish some water. I have no scale. Thank you, Net, for doing your job, guys. Oh my God, dude, that's what I've been looking for. So, what do y'all think, guys? What do y'all think, guys? Look at the size of those fish. Look at the size difference in those fish. That is crazy. This beautiful, beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful fish. Gonna go ahead and let them go right back where I caught them from. So that's the key with them kind of big girls. I'm going to let them go right back where I caught them from. Swim right back. Fish too is just, he's got a different kind of color on him. It's pretty awesome. Just gonna go ahead and let him go as well. This is how you wrap up your day, guys. This is Bassandfurious on the water, 5 fish limit. I say that 5 calling out my 1 took me from about 9 to about 13, 14 almost, I think. Because I had a 5 and I had 4 2. So I don't know what that is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2 2/4, 2 1/2, 2 2/4, stuff like that. So at least 13, probably close to 14 pounds. That is a day. That's probably my best day on Anna since I've been fishing Anna. So now I am excited. Now I do feel pretty good about my day and about what happened. So phenomenal. Let's go. So excited. Let's keep it going. But thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it. I may do a wrap up, may not. That may be the end of the video because that was a way to end the video. So I appreciate it. Thank you for all for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, peace. I'm out.